Hello there, I'm Dana Jean Antonelli, etiquette consultant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, I provide you with tips on manners, modern etiquette, personal development, and anything that can help you become the best version of yourself. If you're a returning viewer, I'm happy to welcome you back. Now for today's video, I will be sharing how to set a dining table. Inviting people over for dinner is so fun, and for me, it's really exciting. I love the aspect of setting the table and cooking, but for the purpose of this video, I will just show you how to properly set a dining room table. So with that said, let's get to it. So first, you want to start off with a clean table. So you want to polish it if you haven't done so already. Make sure there are no dusts or any little lint lying around. And then here I have a table runner. Optional tablecloth, it's totally up to you, but I do prefer a table runner. And I'm just gonna place it in the middle to kind of just add a little touch to the table. Next, we have place settings or placemats. You just wanna put it in front of your guests' seats, just like so. And make sure it is balanced and even. And then we have plates. This is the entree plates. So you wanna make sure it is centered in the placemats. For the purpose of this video and for my guests coming over tonight, I am serving them salad. So I have here salad plate, and this just goes over the main entree plate. Next, let's go over utensils and where they go. So knives always go on the right side of the plate with the blade facing inward. And then main entree forks go on the left side of the plate. And then salad forks, again, go on the left side, on the left of your main fork. Now let's talk about glassware. I have here a water glass. And keep in mind, your glassware is always to your right side. Champagne glass, which will go to the right of the water glass, and a wine glass, which will go to the back. Now let's go over napkins. Typically, you place your napkins on the left side, but what I like to do is I like to pinch it down the middle. I have napkin rings. Kind of fluff it up a little, and I place it right on top of my plates. Lastly, keep in mind of those finishing touches. I have here place cards or name cards, which is optional, but I like to have it ready, and it just adds a little nice touch to the dinner table. You want to place it right above the plate in the center. And we can't forget about our centerpiece, flowers. Just adds a little color and elegance to the table. Now keep in mind, you want a centerpiece that is low like this or high. You don't want it kind of this height, as it will obstruct views from your guests, right? The point of having guests over is to have a fun conversation, good food, good drinks, and last thing you want is a centerpiece that avoids you from making that eye contact with your guests. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two on how to set a dinner table properly. Really, the point of this all of having a dinner party at the end of the day is just having fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section down below. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.